Hey guys, let's see how to connect a Tapo C400 to an iPhone. It's super simple. I have my iPhone here already working, and this camera is just easy to set up, right? You just need to come to the App Store and download the app so you can just use it. It's the Tapo app. So let me just show how it works. Basically, you just come here to the App Store. And from here, you're gonna look for this camera, which is for this app, which is Tapo. There we go, just search there and look for a TP-Link Tapo. You just need to install it and create an account and log in the first time that you do it, and after this you don't need to anymore. Just like myself here, see that I have already logged in, and here I have my devices available. I can have this app working with a lot of different Tapo cameras. And here, and the first time that you log in, you're gonna see a big button to add a new device, or you can just come here to the top and select here this plus signal and add a new device. Out of the box, the camera is going to come like this, flashing the LED red and green, so you're good to go to do the setup, right? And here select an outdoor camera. As you can see here, the Tapo C400 is an outdoor camera. So just choose this one and come here, outdoor cameras, and just look for Tapo C400. There we go. Here's already red and green. Just follow the instructions here. You see that it just need to have the Bluetooth enabled because the camera is going to communicate with your cell phone using Bluetooth. And then now the cell phone has the camera connected, and the cell phone can tell the camera which Wi-Fi to use. That's the next step, right? You see here. Now I just need to inform the camera which Wi-Fi to connect to. So basically that's my router. Remember that you just need to use the 2.4 gigahertz network. You see here the camera works with the 2.4 gigahertz network. Every single router has this band and also has the 5 gigahertz network. Modern routers have 2.4 and 5, right? So if you are not sure if your 2.4 gigahertz network is enabled there, just watch my other video here. I'll leave the link somewhere here in the video. So you can just go there and split the network. I have here the signal just for 2.4 gigahertz network, so I can force my camera connect directly to the signal. Just in case it doesn't work for you, right? You just find here your router, just select, and here just enter the password, hit next, next again.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. You see the camera says that Wi-Fi is connected, and here you can just name your camera. Just observe the LED here. It changes to green. If you have Alexa available, it's going to connect as well. If you don't, you just will not see this information, right? But here I can just name the camera, select a location, hit next, select an icon, hit next, and here I can connect to the cloud as well. Here is complete, and then it's the cloud. You can just have this trial for 30 days, and after 30 days, you can keep paying for the monthly fee. So you have the subscription to record into the cloud. It's not mandatory. You can just have the camera working only in the SD card if you want to, but it's an interesting idea to have also recording to the cloud if you can, because if somebody just take your camera away, you have the recording into the cloud, right? So I would dismiss this for now. Hit here, got it. And now I have a Tapo hub here in the network. You're not gonna see this message here if you don't have a Tapo hub. The camera can find mine here, so maybe later for this one, maybe later. And here's the SD card. So I can insert an SD card from 8 gigabytes up to 512 gigabytes, right? The card is just right here. If you open the this flap here, you see that you can insert the SD card just right here, right? So I'll leave the link in the description for a good SD card that you can use on this camera. Just insert it here and you're good to go, okay? So here, let's just continue. Here's the firmware update, just the information. The camera is going to update from 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. Got it. Here's some information about the port covers and everything else. Let me just put the camera aside here so you see something interesting, some image from the camera, right? There we go. And then I just hit next. And there we go. I have the image back there. If I move here, see that's working. All right, and then I can just hit next and keep hitting next for the other screens here, right? Next again, next. Here's how to mount your camera. You just hit next. Adjust the angle. Some useful information. I just hit next here as well. Charge now, mount later. Remember that I need to charge your camera, okay? And here you go, the Tapo camera working on your iPhone. So super, super simple. You can do the same with an Android device as well. So now you know how to connect your Tapo C400 to your iPhone. Super, super simple. As long as you have the app, you can just get the camera out of the box, see the LED that's flashing red and green, and follow the wizard on the Tapo app. If it's not flashing, if it's green for some reason, if it's just red, you just need to reset the camera, okay? Just remember, to reset the camera is pretty simple. You just need to come here. Let me just show that I have the camera available here, right? To reset one more time, you just come here. You see the reset button just right there. You just press and hold for 10 seconds here. And then you're gonna see the camera being reset. The LED here flashes red pretty fast. After you reset it, you can just start over and you have your camera working with your iPhone, okay? So super simple. Basically, that's the way you can have your Tapo C400 working with your iPhone. I hope that helps. Please leave your comments, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.